Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install custom LED lamp notifications on your OPPO A54s. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Play Store and from here go for the search button. Write NotifyBuddy and hit the search button. Select this app and click install. And after our installation process is complete, we can open the app. Move to the next step and you'll need to grant 2 permissions to the app. And the first one is overlay. So press on the grant and select NotifyBuddy. Now let's go back and do the same thing with notifications. The third one right here is battery optimization, and it's optional. You don't need to disable it unless the app doesn't work properly. Now let's move to the next step and press OK. So here you can already start using the app and you can see 4 tabs down below. So here you have a user and you'll need to pick the apps you'll get this LED lamp notifications for in this tab right here. So let's pick, for example, Amazon Shopping. In the system apps you will find the apps as well, but they're bound to the system. In active you can see all the apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can customize your LED lamp by changing its size, shape or place on the screen, or even time between blinking, all kinds of stuff. Now press the test button to see how the LED lamp will look like. It's right here, you can see it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.